welcome back my YouTube channel. First of all, I want to introduce myself. My name is Dian Herani. Currently, I am a study at STIMA Jakarta, semester 2. In this video, I will explain about the negative aspect and the impact of drug use on the younger generation. You must be curious what are the negative effects of drugs for teenagers. Let's watch the next video. Drug abuse is common among teenagers. Not only can it be addictive, the consumption of these illegal drugs can also make teenagers develop various serious health problems. In addition, drugs can also affect the intelligence of teenagers because these addictive substances can damage the brain. In addition to the environment at home, relationships outside the home also play a major role in shaping the character of teenagers. Most teenagers tend to follow what their friends do. That's because they are still looking for their identity and have a tendency to try new things. That's why it's important for parents to pay attention to the friendship their children have outside the home, such as at school or in their community. The reason is, if they get along wrong, teenagers are very vulnerable to falling into various negative things. One of them is drugs. Well, the use of illegal drugs can not only make teenagers become addicted, but also can affect their health and study at school. An opium that affects mental and physical. Before knowing the negative impact on teenagers, it's good to know first what drugs are. Narcotics and drugs are substances that can change a person's mental or physical condition. The substances can affect how the brain works, feelings and behavior, understanding, and sense of a person. According to the National Narcotics Agency of the Republic of Indonesia, narcotics are substances or drugs, whether natural, synthetic, or semi-synthetic, which can cause a decrease in consciousness, hallucination, and excitability. Narcotics are actually useful as painkillers and provide calm. However, these drugs are often abused for the purpose of obtaining pleasurable effect on the brain. If consumed in excess, drugs can cause addiction. In recent years, more and more young people are also addicted to alcohol and tobacco. This is the negative impact of drugs on youth health and intelligence. Drugs are known to cause addiction, serious disorders, illness, and death. In teens, abusing drugs can make them develop adult health problems, such as heart disease, high blood pressure, and sleep disorder. In addition, teenagers who use drugs with needles are also at high risk of contracting blood-borne disease. Examples such as HIV, AIDS, and hepatitis B and C. Some types of drugs can also damage organs in the body, such as ecstasy, which can cause heart failure and liver failure. Not only that, drugs can also affect the intelligence of teenagers, because these drugs can damage long-term and short-term memory. So, they will eventually experience learning and memory problems later in life. Drugs can also interfere with the brain development of teenagers. Young children's brains are still growing and developing well into their mid-20s. This is especially true for the prefrontal cortex, which is used to make decisions. Well, taking drugs when you are young can interfere with the developmental processes that occur in the brain. This can also affect their decision making. As a result, they may be more likely to do risky things, such as practicing unsafe sex and dangerous driving. The earlier young people start using drugs, the greater their risk of struggling with addiction later in life. In fact, they are also at risk of permanent and irreversible brain damage. Drug abuse among adolescents can result in serious or permanent mental disorders. Is not it terrible the bad impact of drugs on the health and intelligence of teenagers? Therefore, it is important for parents to as much as possible protect their teenagers from exposure to these illegal drugs. Building close relationship and open communication with teenagers is one of the keys for parents to be able to prevent their children from bad things like drugs. In addition, it is also important to maintain the health of teenagers who are in their infancy by providing nutrition, food, and supplements to meet their nutritional needs. Okay, I think it's enough. I'm sorry for any mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.